Kaya dumating na nga yung ating winter season and full of snow na tayo. Maingay na yung mga goat. So, bisitahin natin yung mga goat natin doon sa gilid kung ano yung condition nila. Check muna natin yung ito. Gusto kong gamitin ito para sa mga manok. But, I need to make sure na hindi masyadong malamig dito sa loob. Para at least comfortable yung mga manok. Ay! No. Come here. Goat. Come here. Goat. Stay there. Yan, binigyan ko muna sila ng temporary food. May problem dito sa kanilang food. Kinakain nila yung bagong lagay. Pero hindi na kinakain yung nasa loob. So, gusto kong hukayin. Check kung ano yung problema. Mostly it's frozen. Ay ayaw nilang kainin. So, guys, eat it. Yan. Yan yung problem. Kinakain na nila, oh. Saan yung nilalamig? Buting ikaw yung nilalamig kanina. May nakita kong nilalamig kanina. Parang ito ata. Kasi inaangat niya yung paa niya. Parang hindi makapaglakad ng maayos. But I think they're good. Makain na sila lahat. There's lots of food here. No, not. I don't have it here. Here. Gusto makipaglaro ni Maxine. No, they don't want to play with you. They're eating. Leave them alone. So yan, na-figure out ko na yung first problem. Pag nakukompress pala doon sa baba yung feed nila na hay, hindi nila kinakain kasi hindi nila kinakalkal. So yung outer layer lang yung kinukuha nila. Kaya nagtataka ako pag nilalagyan ko ng bagong hay sa taas, kinakain nila, pero yung nasa baba, hindi nila kinakain. So frozen pala, ngayon kinalkal ko, kinain nila. So yun lang yung gagawin natin pagka hindi natin i-compress yung hay. So it's good, we're learning. Close na rin natin ito kasi wala na silang gagawin doon sa labas. No, there's nothing more to do outside. There's no more grass. Yeah, I know you're stuck in there. Come on, goat. Come here. No. You're not going out. Okay. Come on, goat. Come here. Goat. Here. Come here. Come here. Okay. Stay away. I'm gonna close it. Nope. You're not going out. No one is going out. There's nothing for you to eat out there. Eat your hay. Go. Go, go, go. So yan, na-close na natin yung ating fence kasi wala na silang gagawin doon. For protection na rin nila. Kasi hindi natin alam, baka may coyote na dadaan doon. At least may fencing tayo. Okay, ito na yung chicken run natin. Hindi natin na-film yung paglagay namin ng tarp kasi masyadong malamig noon. Sabay kami ni Mrs. na naglagay ng tarp. So, kahit na hindi sila lumalabas dito sa chicken run, nilagyan lang namin ng tarp for the wind protection. Kasi minsan, gusto nilang tumambay dito sa chicken run for a few seconds or a minute. Pero at least may protect sila sa wind. Just gonna get some eggs. Okay. Now we got egg for the day. So project natin today is to clean up this shed kasi gusto kong gamitin ito para sa mga manok. Ito. Messy kasi ginamit ko ito for Maxine. So dito siya natutulog but then ayaw niya. Bumabalik siya doon sa garage. So I decided na sa garage na lang siya matulog and then I'll move some of the chicken here. So there you go. I decided not to use it kasi masyadong malamig doon sa loob. Mas malamig siya kaysa doon sa chicken coop natin. So mahihirapan tayo pagdating sa water system natin. So I decided not to use it instead. So mag-add lang tayo ng new bedding sa ating mga goat. Kasi napansin ko yung isa nilalamig, yung maliliit. So bigyan natin ng dagdag na beddings for tonight. Especially in the next few days kasi magdadrop yung temperature sa gabi. So dagdagan natin yung beddings nila. Dito sila lahat. Guys, this is not food. This is for your bed. I'm just gonna add up for your beddings. Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me. Ah! Guys, this is for your bed. It's not the food. It's for your bed. See? There's nothing here. Let's spread it nice para comfy kayo matulog. Nice and warm. All sides. Okay. More on this corner. Hey yo. So yan guys, we have a new bedding. We're surviving the winter time and there's lots of work in the farm. So ito yung nagpapabisi sa atin sa farm, pag-tender sa mga animals. But as long as they have food, water, they should be good. So yan yung quick check ng ating farm. Dilalamig na ako, red na yung face ko. So let's get inside. Okay na yung food nila, water, and same dun sa ating chicken, their food and water. Then nakuha na natin yung ating egg, so we're good for the day. Guys, thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye!